Imagine if the universe, as we know it, ceased to exist. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's pause for a moment to let that sink in. The universe, this vast expanse of galaxies, stars, and planets that seems to stretch on forever, simply gone. A thought so immense and yet so mind-boggling it's almost impossible to fully comprehend. The universe is an extraordinary place, filled with an infinity of mysteries. Its enormity and complexity are beyond our understanding, yet it has been the subject of our curiosity since the dawn of mankind. We've looked up to the stars, wondering about our place in this vast cosmos, and pondered upon the most profound questions. Among these questions is one that has been discussed in the hallowed halls of both science and philosophy. Can the universe be destroyed? Now hold on to your hats, folks. We're not talking about a little bit of cosmic house cleaning here. We're talking about the complete and utter obliteration of everything we know and understand. Imagine a painter's canvas, once filled with vibrant colors and intricate details, wiped clean in an instant. That's the scale we're dealing with. This is not a concept pulled straight out of a science fiction novel. It's a legitimate topic of discussion in the realms of cosmology and theoretical physics. Scientists and philosophers alike have pondered over this possibility, each coming up with theories and hypotheses that are as intriguing as they are terrifying. So, can the universe be destroyed? Is it even possible? What kind of cataclysmic event could lead to such an outcome, and if it were to happen, what would that mean for us, the tiny inhabitants of this vast, cosmic playground? It's a lot to take in, we know, but don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you. So, are you ready to take this leap into the unknown? Intrigued? Stick around as we delve deeper into this mind-boggling topic. Ever wondered what the theories about the universe's end are? Let's explore a few. First up, we have the Big Crunch theory. Now this isn't about a giant cosmic breakfast cereal, although that does sound intriguing. The Big Crunch theory suggests that the expansion of the universe could reverse itself. Imagine a balloon inflating and then deflating. The universe, in this theory, would collapse back into a singularity, the same hot, dense point from which it originated. It's like a cosmic rewind button, taking us back to square one. Next we have the Big Freeze. But don't go grabbing your woolly scarves and mittens just yet. The Big Freeze, also known as heat death, is a theory suggesting that the universe will keep expanding. However, as it does, it'll grow colder and colder as its energy becomes evenly distributed. Over a very, very long time, stars would burn out, galaxies would drift apart, and all activity would cease. Eventually, the universe would become a dark, cold, and lifeless place. A bit like a never-ending winter minus the snowball fights and hot cocoa. Finally, there's the Big Rip. This theory is as dramatic as it sounds. It suggests that the universe's expansion isn't just continuing, it's accelerating. At some point, the force of this expansion would become so strong that everything, galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms, would be torn apart. It's like the ultimate cosmic shredder reducing everything to nothing. So, there you have it. 3 theories about how the universe might meet its end: the Big Crunch, the Big Freeze, and the Big Rip. Each one fascinating and a little terrifying in its own way. Quite a lot to take in, huh? But don't worry, the universe isn't going anywhere. Yet. Now let's lighten the mood a bit, shall we? We've been talking about the potential end of the universe, which can feel a tad heavy. Well, here's a little cosmic humor for you. Why did the universe go to therapy? Because it had too much space and needed to fill the void. It's okay to laugh, we all need a little humor when facing the infinite abyss. But on a more serious note, pondering the mysteries of the universe and its potential end is a fascinating endeavor. It's a journey of discovery, of understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. So if you're intrigued by these astronomical adventures and want to join us on this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for our channel. Remember, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting content. So the big question is, could we survive the universe's destruction? Let's dive into some fascinating concepts that might just offer a glimmer of hope. One such concept is that of multiverses. Picture this: a vast collection of universes, each with their own laws of physics, their own realities. Our universe might just be one page in a grand cosmic book. If our page, our universe, is heading towards an unfortunate end, could we simply turn the page and hop into another universe? Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet, some of the greatest minds in physics entertain this concept. If multiverses do exist, escaping our universe's destruction could theoretically be possible. However, the technology required to achieve this is far beyond anything we currently possess. If we were to compare our current technological level to that required, we'd be cavemen looking at a rocket ship. But let's not forget, we humans are quite extraordinary. In a mere 100 years we've gone from the first flight to landing rovers on Mars. So who's to say what another 100,000 or even million years could bring? If we continue to advance, to learn, to innovate, who knows what we might achieve? There's also the matter of time. When we talk about the universe's destruction, we're not talking about tomorrow, next year, or even next millennium. We're talking about billions of years in the future. That's a lot of time for humanity to grow, to evolve, and to possibly even become a multi-universal species. Of course, this is all speculation. There are no guarantees, no certainties, but it's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The idea that we, tiny beings on a tiny planet, could one day traverse not just our universe but multiple universes. It's a long shot, but who knows what the future holds. What do you think, could we survive the universe's destruction? This question is definitely food for thought, isn't it? Feel free to share your thoughts, ideas, or maybe even your own theories in the comments section below. We love to hear from you, and this topic is certainly one we're all curious about. How about this for a thought provoker? If you had the chance, would you want to survive the universe's destruction? Imagine being the only person left in a universe that's completely different from what we know now. What would you do? How would you feel? Or let's visualize together, what do you think the end of the universe would look like? Would it be a spectacular show of cosmic fireworks or a silent fade into nothingness? This is your space to share, discuss, and explore these fascinating questions. We're looking forward to reading your thoughts and theories. What a journey it's been, exploring the destruction of the universe. We've taken a deep dive into the abyss of the cosmos, examining the possibilities, theories, and the potential for survival. We began by pondering over the possibility of the universe's destruction. It's a thought that might seem far-fetched, but the reality remains that everything in existence has an expiration date, even the vast cosmos. We then delved into various theories about the end of the universe, from the Big Freeze to the Big Rip to the Big Crunch. Each theory, more fascinating than the last, presents a unique perspective on how our universe could meet its end. Next, we lightened the mood a bit, highlighting the brighter side of destruction. It's not all doom and gloom, as the end of the universe could be billions and billions of years away, and by then, who knows what advancements we'll have made. We also pondered over our survival in such a scenario. It's an exciting speculation filled with the promise of cosmic voyages, interstellar civilizations, and a hope that humanity could outlive the universe itself. Now, as we wrap up this cosmic journey, we want to thank all of you for joining us in this exploration. It's been a thrilling ride, and we're glad you were part of it. If you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have, do share this video with your friends and family. It's a conversation starter, to say the least. Who knows, you might inspire someone to become the next great astrophysicist. Remember, the universe may not last forever, but our curiosity and thirst for knowledge certainly will. As we continue to gaze at the stars, question the cosmos, and seek answers, we're doing more than just learning. We're carrying the torch of human curiosity, illuminating the dark corners of our understanding, and pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can discover. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and until next time, stay curious.